Hello, this is the Repair Club 237. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I successfully repaired a dryer from one of my customers. So, you just walk along with the video and show you all the process.
So this is a dryer. The problem is that it comes on and it makes a sound. So let me test it and you see. Just unplug it. It has a typical sound. We would open and see what is wrong, what the problem is. So assemble everything and test the machine. Guys, as you can see, our dryer is now fine and working. I hope you guys loved that. What the problem was, it was a simple rag that was stuck in the airflow chambers, so it was causing all the sound and the noise. So I hope you guys actually learned one or two things. Alright, so since we've come to the end of the video, please, you guys, show love, like, comment, share the video. Thank you.